In 2025, Cloaked has positioned itself as one of the most valuable privacy tools for everyday internet users. Unlike older privacy tools that simply try to erase your data from broker list after it's been exposed, Cloaked helps prevent that exposure in the first place. Its ability to generate disposable contact details like phone numbers, emails, and identities means you can sign up for online services, shop, or interact without ever giving out your real information. This proactive approach significantly reduces the chances of spam, scams, and identity theft. Cloaked also integrates automation into its system, making it seamless for users who don't want to think too much about privacy but still want to be protected. Its user-friendly design makes it accessible even to those who aren't tech-savvy, while still offering the kind of protection that privacy enthusiasts value. In a digital world where personal data has become one of the most valuable commodities, Cloak stands out as a forward-thinking solution that is not just useful but essential in 2025.